What's a step-by-step action plan for inherited properties? If someone inherits a property?
A step-by-step action plan for somebody who inherits a property would be, first of all, determine who the title owner is on the property. If the only title owner has deceased, then you have to determine how big the estate, and second thing is to determine whether there's a will or a trust or any kind of estate plan documents. If there are, then those documents control what happens to the property if the property is named in those trust documents. If there are no trust documents, if there are no wills, then you have to either go to probate in order to be issued a letter of administration to deal with the property, or deal with some of the parallel strategies like affidavit of heirship, a small estate affidavit with a knowledgeable title company in order to deal with that. So there's various ways to deal with it depending on the situation.